G'day folks, welcome to a nice little quick update on what's going on around the shop. Well, I'd certainly like to thank everyone who's chipped in a few dollars over Patreon and PayPal to try and keep this place afloat. It has, well, kept the lights are on and the internet's flowing. I now have fibre broadband, well, fibre to the node anyway. It's a lot better than what I had, and I can start affording projects again. So big thanks to those who have contributed and even those who just view my videos. Again, I'm not taking the ads off the videos, at least until everything's self-sustaining. After that, I'll definitely demonetize, because honestly, Google, and I'm not even going to go there. The political correctness and bullshit that Google's gone through is absolutely ridiculous. I've had videos demonetized simply for saying vibrator in them too many times, and all I was talking about was an industrial hopper vibrator, not a sexual vibrator. So yeah, their algorithms need to be fixed and changed, and yeah, getting community strikes for condemning a SEAL team for taking out a known terrorist is also not acceptable. So yeah, I've had two community strikes at one point. One's been revoked and now I can re-upload full time, but it got pretty close to the point where I'd lose my channel just based on fake, well, flawed algorithms, and then a little more, like, I'm not even going to go there. There's enough. You got to watch, like, if you watch enough conservative news channels and things, you already know what's going on. So anyway, thanks for the support. Everything's working quite well. Just paying the bills, that's the main thing. I mean, when you get a power bill like that and you're not making much coin to cover it, well, it helps a lot. So thanks for the help, thanks for the support, and let's have a look at what's going on around the shop apart from mess and little puppy over there. But yeah, I've been picking up some other projects from scrapyards, various pieces to help with the workshop. Again, this is all paid for by basically Google income, and the shop's self-sustaining. This isn't coming out of my wage or anything like that. I'm not earning a wage at the moment. I'm freelance. So what I get is what I get. If I don't get paid for a few weeks, well, the budget goes down the toilet. So yeah, buying sort of stuff like this at the scrapyard for 10 bucks a piece, it's a gamble. This one's had water through it. The drive's actually had a bit of water through it, so I've got no idea if this drive's even going to work, but hey, it's a Danfoss VLT 2800. It's a decent little mini VFD. If it works, it works. If it doesn't, well, it's only 10 bucks. At least strip the cabinet bare and sell the cabinet as scrap. Wouldn't you agree? But yeah, various bits and pieces going on. Got this cabinet off the lathe, the auto ward that I showed at the scrapyard. That's going to be an upcoming video. I've already done a bit of video on it, need to do the rest. And also some milling machine work, making sprocket adapters for a friend's go-kart project. So there's a video on that one coming up. Basically already filmed, just needs to be edited. This one here, I need to basically do more filming on it now that I know how it works. But yeah, you can see where it's going. There's going to be a bit of fun in here, and a lot more cleaner. Just, I need to get the trailer empty again, get a skip on it, and yeah, have a bit of a clean out. Another video is going to be how an injection molding tool works. There's a fire control panel there. Again, these are all things I pay like 5 or 10 bucks for at the scrapyard, and I won't make any money taking it back there, but hey, if you learn something from it, that is the most valuable thing in the world. That's the way I see it. If you can learn something from it, that's what's valuable. I'm not here to make money off scrap metal. I'm here to make people satisfied and people educated. Make people smarter. So yeah, if it's working out how neon logic works, or how, I don't know, how an injection molding tool works, how to drill and tap holes on a bolt pitch with a milling machine, it works. Bird. And various bits and pieces are picked up, control panels. This one's out of a shopping centre, that kind of thing. Priceline, Oxford shoes, Sports Girl. Yeah, this is out of a shopping centre, and again, when you find them at the scrapyard and they're asking bugger all for them, take them. Definitely take them. And you, my little furry friend. This is Kiri. Her name is Curie, after the Nobel Prize winning physicist, Marie Curie. And she is basically half golden retriever, half border collie. And she's very cute, aren't you? Yeah. Yeah, she's about 18 weeks old now, aren't you? Yeah, good brush down though. What have you been playing in? Oh, you've been playing in your water tub again, haven't you? Yeah, she's getting bigger. She's definitely bigger than the last time you saw her on video. Yeah, so I've had her probably about 8 weeks, 9 weeks now. And she's definitely getting bigger, aren't you? Time for her shots, not tomorrow but the next day, another round of shots and vaccination, that sort of thing. Give her a good brush down. Holy crap. You need to clean. Like your deer antlers. Yeah, so she's the new shop puppy. Aren't you? You're the new shop puppy, aren't you? Good girl. No, don't. Yeah, she needs some training. No, you can lick but don't gob. No gobbing. Come on, belly rub. No. It's usually the first thing she goes for is a belly rub, but not today. She just wants to chew on everything. Start putting on some more weight. You cutie. You just got to work on the discipline and that sort of thing, and she'll be just right, won't ya?